Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. Here's a quick one for you. You see this split? These are grip shift. This is the twisting part, and it's starting to split apart. So I think this might be a really good thing to fix with that silicone tape. Super tape, it sticks to itself, and it might grip pretty good on this rubbery stuff. But I'm going to try and wrap in three or four turns on that. See, oops, sorry, hit the camera. See if I can save this. Otherwise, it's going to come all the way off, and well, then will have to be a bigger fix. So I need two hands here. Okay, there it is. There you go. So we'll see how it holds up. I'm going out for a couple hours now, and if I remember, I'll show you a picture of it when I get back.